Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be an unboxing video. What I have is a package that was sent to me by Lockpicking's gal. I have no idea what's inside, but all I know is that she wanted to say thank you. I am so excited to check this out, and let's open this package up together right now. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get this package open and see what Lockpicking's gal sent over to me. I am very excited to take a quick look and see. She is such a great channel, and I am so thankful for her to send me over something. I do not expect it at all, but she was very adamant about wanting to send this over to me. So let's see what she was able to put in here. So we have, looks like a Pacific lock, a pack lock, and a note. So if you saw one of my more recent Locksport update videos, you can see that she has made some very specific pack locks with her channel symbol on them. So I'm very interested to take a look and see if that's what this is going to be. Well, let's take a quick look and see what her note says. Let's see, it says, "Thank you for everything that you do for me and the whole community. This is just a small thank you for being so helpful. Thank you, Lockpicking's gal. P.S. I just love your channel and love to learn something new every video that I watch." Well, thank you very much, Lockpicking's gal. That was very nice of you, and thank you so much for thinking of me. And let's take a quick look and see. Alright, so this is really, really cool. So the first thing I see is this really cool keychain. Lockpicking's gal, take care of your teeth, save your life at Gal Pickings. So that is her Twitter, I believe. If you haven't seen her video about her story about how having an issue with her tooth led to a whole slew of problems, it's a very inspirational video. I will link that here. That is something that she really wants to spread to everyone, so you can check that out. And thank you so much for sending this over to me. And now let's take a quick look at this pack lock. Alright, so as you can tell, it looks a lot like an American lock. It has her symbol on the front here. You can see right here. I believe it was her niece that made that. That is pretty cool. I want to say thank you to Lockpicking's gal for making that for me. What I'd love to do in a future video is we're going to be able to pick this lock open and gut it. But let's just, for the scope of this video, I'd just like to do a really quick unboxing. That is a really cool lock. It has, let's see, it has the ball bearings to lock up the shackle. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin lock, so that's going to be pretty cool. I'm not sure if pack locks are going to be equipped like American locks when the pinning comes into play. But either way, that is so nice of you. Thank you so much for sending this out to me, and I really appreciate the lock. That is a really great thing to do, and I'm very happy to be able to put this right in the collection and be able to always remember Lockpicking's gal. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This was just a really quick unboxing video, and I just wanted to share with you what Lockpicking's gal wanted to send over to me. If you guys would like to check out any videos by her, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out her channel and consider subscribing. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking this out. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.